Here we're solving for x, and we have x cubed plus 2x squared minus 35x equals 0. If you're used to dealing with quadratics, this might scare you a little bit because you see, oh, I see an x cubed, I want to see an x squared. But you'll notice that every term has at least one x in it. So we can start by pulling out the greatest common factor. In this case, the greatest common factor is x. So if we factor out an x, that's like dividing each term by x and pulling it out front, we get x times the quantity, x squared, plus 2x minus 35. And this is all equal to 0. Now we want to factor this trinomial here. So we keep the x out front. What times what would be x squared? It would be x times x. What times what could give you a negative? It's going to be one negative and one positive. And the numbers multiply to make 35, so we've got 7 and 5. And they add up to a positive 2. Since they add up to a positive, the bigger number is the positive. So we get plus 7 and minus 5. Right, now it's fully factored, set it equal to 0 still. And because they multiply to make 0, one of the factors has to be 0. So that means that x minus 5 could be 0, which is true when x equals 5. That's one solution. X plus 7 could be 0, which is true when x equals negative 7. And you'll notice both of these are kind of the opposite sign of what's inside of the factor. And then there's one last answer, because the x itself could be 0. When is x equal to 0? When x is 0. So in this case, there are 3 solutions.
And you can watch my next video to see how to check if your answers are correct in less than a minute before you submit them.